Okay, now that you already have a site, when you log into Wix.com this time, this is the layout that you can see. You no longer see the create new site button everywhere. So again, I would like to stress the my site button up here, menu up here. You may click on the site that you have created. This is the dashboard of Wix.com. So now I'm going to show you how to use the website editor to change your website. There are so many site action options here. We are going to change, so click on edit site. Wait for your website editor to load. So meanwhile, let me tell you that your site has the website editor, and your blog post has the post editor or the blog editor. So here, this is your website editor. So to pick something that we want to change, let's look at the website. In the contact section, here the email is shown over here, which I don't wish to show. So let's go to the website editor. Here, if I click on the contact in the editor, it won't take me to the contact page. In order to go to the contact page, we have to click here for the menu and the pages. So if you click on the side menu, you may see that we have 3 pages. If you want to add more pages, you may just click on the add button here. So I am not going to show that. I am going to show how to change or edit something which are already there. So we are going to change at the contact page. I click here for the contact page. Here the contact page can be seen in the editor. And now I wish to remove please contact me here. I wish to remove the email alone. So there are 2 options for me. One is I right click, delete everything, or I can click on edit text up here and highlight the email address and cut it out, so make it empty. Once I have removed the email, it will automatically save the changes. Besides that, there are so many other things that can be done with the menus right here on the left, and as well as the menus right here on the right. And up here there are a few other options. You may want to explore and try your best with your the layout of your website. But the most important thing is the blog post, not really the look and feel of your website.